of Jesus, first, it is identity. His identity that He is God. Second, His destiny or purpose. Pakasabi nga po, purpose. You know, when my brother John was born, at that time, my parents aren't Christians yet. Hindi pa po Kristiyano sila Sister Dory and Brother Eddie. And at that time, Brother Eddie is a very hardcore atheist and activist back in the Philippines. He is one of those fighting the regime of the Marcoses at that time. And so when my mom gave birth to my brother John, his name is actually Eduardo Guerrero. His name is actually Eduardo Guerrero. And he said, Brother Eddie said, he thought to himself that my brother will grow up fighting for the masses. Tagalaban. Guerrero is, what is Guerrero? Guerrero. Paano ba siya i-Englishin? Basta yon, fighter. Eduardo Guerrero. Because Brother Eddie believes that he will grow up like him, fighting for the masses. But when they became Christians, I believe they omitted the word Guerrero in his name. You know, because names determines destiny or purpose. Pakasabi nga po, purpose. In